Have you ever wondered why we celebrate Bonfire Night with fireworks and bonfires? It all started in 1605 with a failed plot to blow up the British Parliament. A man named Guy Fawkes and his group of conspirators tried to ignite barrels of gunpowder under Parliament, aiming to overthrow the government. But they were caught, and November 5th became a day of celebration for the plot's failure. Since then, people have lit bonfires and fireworks every year to mark the occasion. Still curious and want to know the full story? Check out my full video on the history of Bonfire Night.